Today I'm going to talk about a $17 million AI automation. And this is something which is breaking the internet today. And that's because today one company called Toma, which does voice automation for car dealerships, has raised 17 million. That means that they are more than an 80 million, $100 million company because obviously they're selling 20-25% of their business in every funding round. That's the max that they could do. So it's a really big business. And all they do is car dealership automation. For example, car dealerships, the biggest issues that they have, number one, that they've got a lot of people filling out forms on their websites, which is way too much than they can handle. Secondly, it's really hard for them to follow up with all of these customers because you want to follow up properly, you want to talk to them, you want to send them messages. And third, no show. No show happens because a lot of people don't show up to the appointment because there's no setup process where people are reminded about, hey, today you've got an appointment. So these are the three biggest problems that happen, and this is what Toma solves. Today they raised so much money, and also on their website, when we go there, we can easily see that these are the pain points that they're focused on. Scale service and satisfaction with autonomous AI agents. This is exactly what they are offering. They offer a 24/7 receptionist, which is obviously an inbound voice agent, which we're also going to show, which you can build through our platform. And then service appointments. That's also something that is really easy. We're going to go through it today. Also, how to set up different appointments, how to do it with cal.com, how to do these integrations. Maybe today we're not going to go that deep, but we're going to show you how the whole car dealership thing works. And if it's more interesting for you, I could create specific videos also this week on these service appointments. So just tell me in the comments and I'll be with you and tell you exactly how to go about doing all of this. So before I jump deep into it, let me show you two tools which we are going to use to solve this. Firstly, we are going to use n8n. n8n is an excellent workflow builder that you can see here. It's one of the best out there. Two things that I love about this is that they've got JSON import export. So if I build something like this, a complete clean automation that you see, you can export it in a JSON and you can import it in your workflow. So that's excellent. And secondly, this is open source. So that's a good thing because then you can host it on your servers and don't have to worry about security, about what's happening with your data. So all of that information is in there with n8n. And secondly, we have got the platform called Voho. Voho is AI call center. This is to automate all the AI calling, inbound, outbound. I'm the one who built this platform together with my team. And this is something where you can also have different phone numbers, so you can buy any phone numbers from anywhere in the world. And the good thing is inbound agents, outbound agents for voice, you can easily build. We're also adding workflows in there. So it's going to be super powerful. But I want to show you, I don't want to talk too much. I want to show you exactly how this works because I feel like that's going to do it a proper justice. So I'm just going to first start with this. This is a form that we have built using V0. Right now for our whole company, we're using a lot of V0. We're using a lot of different platforms to build websites within 5 minutes, 10 minutes. This thing that you see was built in less than 10 minutes. I've got another video which is coming out exactly for this specific use case, how to use it. So I'm going to share that with you. So now I'm going to go out and I'm going to fill out this form. So in order to fill out this form, I have to put in information. This is the phone number that I've inputted. This is the phone number that I got from GHL. So I'm just going to use it for inbound calling. And yes, perfect. And now car model of interest, because I'm interested to buy Honda. Let's see how they go about doing this. So that's what I want to buy and I want to have a purchase. And then we've got preferred contact preferences. Yeah, I like being called in the afternoon. So that's what we have got. We've got all of this information in a very clean manner put in there. Now, before I run any of this, I have to step into execute workflow. So I'm going to execute the workflow inside n8n. It's waiting for a trigger, and this is where the trigger is going to come. This button, when I press this button, all this data is going to go to n8n because on this submit inquiry, we're running a post request, which is calling this agent, which is calling this request, this URL. So super important that you know this. But now we're going to click on this and we're going to see how everything goes about. So first of all, the data is going. Then I see that the create Voho call API is working. I hear a sound. So what is it? Okay, so there's a call. I'm receiving a call. Let's see.
Hi, Yar. This is an AI assistant calling on behalf of dealership. You recently submitted a form on our website about a Honda. Is now a good time to chat for just a minute?
Yeah, it's a good time to talk.
Great, thanks for your time. I see you're interested in a Honda. Is that the vehicle you're looking for, or would you like to explore other models as well?
I want Honda. I want 2020 model, and I need it in black color.
Perfect. You're interested in the 2020 model in black. Do you have a rough budget in mind or any specific features or mileage preferences?
I do not have a rough budget, but I'd say something like $20,000.
Got it. We'll aim to find options around $20,000 for you. Would you like to schedule a call or visit with one of our specialists to explore this further? I
Yeah.
can help set that up, Adam.
Yeah, that sounds good. Could you set it up for next week, Wednesday afternoon?
Absolutely. I'll schedule an appointment for you next week, Wednesday afternoon. Thanks, Yar. I've noted your preferences, and someone from our team will follow up with you shortly to help with your sales inquiry regarding the 2020 Black Honda. Have a great day.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. So that's the thing. We executed this whole call. Now we are going to go back in there, and I see right now. So we are going to execute all of this call. We have done it using the Voho platform, and I'm getting this error. So let's see. The call executed really properly. So I'm going to try to run this again to see if everything is working good. Okay, I'm receiving a call, so it means everything is good. So I'm just going to decline this call because we already had this call. So right now, yeah, this step is going to stop executing. It just needs some time because it's gathering information. It takes, I would say, the next 30 seconds to close it. And then we've got other steps where, such as WhatsApp, for example, we can execute WhatsApp messages to the people. This happens automatically. You can also set it up that it happens automatically. Here you can execute WhatsApp message, and then you've got Mailgun access. So here Mailgun is used as a platform to use to send emails. And here you can see that you can also set up your own template on how to actually send these emails. So right now when we see this is the email which is going to be sent, we can click on execute step, and then it is telling us if things are happening. So if things are happening, we're going to see them. For WhatsApp, we're going to see if we received a message, and here we are saying that we have gotten a message. So thank you for contacting the car dealership. So that is a good thing. We received a message. And then secondly, I got another message which is thank you for your interest in our Honda. So 0 minutes ago. So we are receiving all of this information in a very clean manner. Now this whole automation that you see, this is, I would say, 50% version of a complex automation that we have also built ourselves, where we are serving customers, which we'd love to share with you in our community. This is important to show you most of the important parts. Obviously, there are certain level of restrictions that you want to set, certain level of guardrails that have to be in there, which we are properly setting up. But all of that information has to be in there. And the whole complex thing we've also gotten that you can get for free in our community. And yeah, I hope you like this. This is super excellent use case for voice calling for AI agents, because the pain point for the car dealers is really huge, and none of them want to go on a phone. None of them want to message people, WhatsApp, or send emails. It takes a lot of time. This does it automatically, and you can charge 5,000 setup fee, 3,000 monthly subscription. You can do so many things with this automation, by improving it further, by building on top of it, by using these excellent platforms, and this sets up an excellent base for you. So I hope you liked it. If you liked it, like, subscribe, do everything, because that helps the algorithm, and we are trying to grow and bring as much value to you. I want to make more videos, and your like and subscription, it just really motivates me to keep on going forward. And I'm going to be bringing almost daily these excellent automations that I'm seeing that we are building in our team, that we are implementing for many different people. So that's what it is all about. Thank you, and have an amazing day. Bye-bye.